Guys, I'm finally getting good sleep because he doesn't snore anymore. And on top of that, he also tells me he's been getting the best sleep he's ever had. I'm not sure what it is, but the mouth tape keeps his mouth shut so he does not snore anymore, and I get to sleep because I don't hear that throughout the night. I got it from this little brand off TikTok shop called Snore, and it comes with a 30-piece or a 30-pack of the nose strips and a 30-pack of the mouth tapes, and it's only for $9.99 right now. I'm going to leave a link right here for you to try.